Welcome back for another Needs 2-Minute Tuesdays. My name is Ramón Hernández and I will be your tour guide on this wonderful trip we are calling iOS 15. This upgraded feature will make taking exits easier and will make walking around the city more fun. Can anyone guess the tool for today? If you guessed Apple Maps, you are correct. Apple Maps navigation app went through some serious renovations. Apple announced at the Worldwide Developers Conference that there has been an elevation upgrade to the app. If you use Apple Maps as your GPS, you'd be familiar with the two-dimensional format. This format was a bit difficult at times due to its plain gray color scheme and the obvious flat perspective. But when iOS 15 is released, you will be able to distinguish turns from bridges, and there is so much more accurate detail. You'll be able to identify different lanes and their directions, parking lots from roadways due to the upgraded color scheme, and bridges and hills due to the added elevation system. Also, traveling through transit will be easier. You'll be able to find nearby stations and pin those stations and train lines to the top of your screen, just like pinning your favorite text messages. Maps will even follow your route to let you know when your stop is coming and will notify you when to disembark. Can you imagine how this will help a person who was once dependent travel independently? Apple hasn't left out walking either. I'm so excited they are choosing to use augmented reality within Maps. You will hold up your phone and scan the area around you. Apple Maps will recognize your area and then add three-dimensional directions on your screen to guide you to your final destination. Unfortunately, this feature will only work in the following cities by the end of 2021: London, Los Angeles, New York, Philadelphia, San Diego, San Francisco, and Washington, D.C. But have patience, and I'm sure they will be available in your city very soon. Thank you so much for watching and learning. I will see you in the next 2 minutes.